olive oil with lemon one night before bed in the way we'll explain in this video, and you may never ignore this recipe again. What if we told you that this simple recipe, made from ingredients found in almost every home, could unlock a wide range of health benefits and help prevent various diseases? Together, we'll discover the latest scientific findings about the incredible advantages of this powerful mixture. Prepare your favorite drink and join us on this journey to uncover the amazing secrets of this recipe. Before we begin, if you've ever tried olive oil with lemon, press the like button to let us know how many people are interested in such natural remedies. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Doctors and specialists in nutrition, alternative medicine, and general health recommend taking a daily mixture of lemon and olive oil to gain the maximum benefits from both components. Lemon, a citrus fruit, is commonly used in cooking, salads, pickles, and beverages. Its peel is also a source of essential oils, and it's rich in vitamins and minerals. Olive oil, known as liquid gold, is one of the richest plant-based oils due to its countless health benefits. It has been valued since ancient times, and is known for its high content of natural antioxidants and healthy fats. In this video, we will explore the benefits of combining olive oil with lemon, how to prepare it, and the correct ways to use it. First, this mixture helps with weight loss and reducing obesity. Lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, which help burn fat, especially in the abdominal and buttocks areas, and stimulate metabolism. Olive oil contains oleic acid, which plays a vital role in burning fat and releasing hormones that reduce appetite. Second, the mixture helps prevent hepatitis C by reducing the activity of the virus and protecting liver function, detoxifying the liver, and improving its enzyme levels. Since the liver plays a key role in purifying the blood and aiding digestion, this mixture enhances overall liver health. Third, it helps lower cholesterol levels and prevent blood clots. The lemon and olive oil mix supports heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, improving blood flow, and helping oxygen reach all body cells. It also regulates blood pressure and improves cardiovascular performance while lowering blood sugar levels. Fourth, it boosts the immune system and fights aging. Regular consumption of this mixture helps maintain youthfulness and vibrant health, especially for people aged 50 to 70. It is packed with antioxidants, magnesium, and potassium, which reduce wrinkles, improve brain oxygenation, and remove harmful fats from the brain, keeping you energetic and youthful. Fifth, the mixture treats inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Thanks to its antioxidants and unsaturated fats, it reduces joint pain, hand pain, and oxidative stress in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Sixth, it enhances digestion. Lemon promotes digestion while olive oil softens the stomach, relieving issues like indigestion, gas, bloating, ulcers, infections, and constipation. The mixture also kills harmful bacteria. Seventh, it breaks up kidney stones. Lemon contains potassium citrate, which dissolves stones, while olive oil helps move stone fragments from the kidneys to the bladder for easy elimination. Eighth, it benefits hair and skin. When applied to the hair for 20 minutes, the mixture boosts shine, strengthens hair, restores freshness, prevents hair loss, and protects against baldness. For the skin, it reduces wrinkles, lightens sensitive areas, removes blackheads and dark circles, and softens the skin when applied for 2 hours before rinsing. Ninth, it helps prevent Alzheimer's and improves memory. With its strong antioxidants and compounds like oleocanthal, olive oil removes abnormal proteins from the brain, supports enzyme production, and enhances memory and concentration. 10th, it prevents cancer. Lemon's vitamin C and flavonoids, along with olive oil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, make the mixture effective in preventing cancers such as colon and breast cancer. 11th, it boosts energy levels for both men and women. Just 1 spoonful of this mixture can increase your energy throughout the day by improving blood circulation and activity levels. To prepare it, simply mix a teaspoon of lemon juice with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and take it on an empty stomach or an hour before bed. Be sure to take it immediately to preserve its full health benefits. Dear viewers, this was all for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.